Weather. Sunny. Sunny weather can occur in all the seasons, but we most connect sunshine with the season summer. Rain. Water droplets form from warm air. As the warm air rises in the sky, it cools. Water vapor always exists in our air. Warm air holds quite a bit of water. For example, in the summer it is usually very humid. When enough of these droplets collect together, we see them as clouds. If the clouds are big enough and have enough water droplets, the droplets bang together and form even bigger droplets. When the drops get heavy, they fall because of gravity, and you can see and feel rain. Lightning thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. It's produced by a cumulonimbus cloud, usually producing gusty winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail. Lightning is a bright flash of electricity produced by a thunderstorm. All thunderstorms produce lightning and are very dangerous. If you hear the sound of thunder, then you are in danger from lightning. Lightning kills and injures more people each year than hurricanes or tornadoes, between 75 and 100 people. Hail. Hail is created when small water droplets are caught in the updraft of the thunderstorm. These water droplets are lifted higher and higher into the sky until they freeze into ice. Once they become heavy, they will start to fall. If the smaller hailstones get caught in the updraft again, they will get more water on them and get lifted higher in the sky and get bigger. Once they get lifted again, they freeze and fall. This happens over and over again until the hailstone is too heavy and then falls to the ground. Tornado. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles longer than the length of a football field. In an average year, 1,000 tornadoes are reported nationwide. Windy. Wind is air in motion. It is produced by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. Since the Earth's surface is made of various land and water formations, it absorbs the sun's radiation unevenly. Two factors are necessary to specify wind: speed and direction. Snow. Snow is commonly formed when water vapor undergoes deposition, which is when water vapor changes directly to ice without first becoming a liquid. High in the atmosphere at a temperature of less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit and then falls to the ground. Cloudy. Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are white, puffy clouds that look like pieces of floating cotton. Cumulus clouds are often called fair weather clouds. The base of each cloud is flat, and the top of each cloud has rounded towers. Cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds are the most common of the high clouds. They are composed of ice and are thin, wispy clouds blown in high winds into long streamers. Cirrus clouds are usually white and predict fair to pleasant weather. By watching the movement of cirrus clouds, you can tell from which direction weather is approaching. When you see cirrus clouds, it usually indicates that a change in the weather will occur within 24 hours. Stratus clouds. Stratus clouds are uniform grayish clouds that often cover the entire sky, kind of like a blanket. They resemble fog that doesn't reach the ground. Light mist or drizzle sometimes falls out of these clouds. Foggy. There are many different types of fog, but fog is mostly formed when southerly winds bring warm, moist air into a region, possibly ending a cold outbreak. As the warm, moist air flows over much colder soil or snow, dense fog often forms. Warm, moist air is cooled from below as it flows over a colder surface. If the air is near saturation, moisture will condense out of the cooled air and form fog.